Hi guys, I'm coming on to show week 19 of Kerry's prompts this week. Just put another sheet down just so the paint doesn't go everywhere. I've got some variable paints out and some bits and pieces. This week I'm not going to use jelly plate prints. I was going to, but I used all my red squiggles in the last project, the rest of the page. So I've just run around and got some bits together, and hopefully I've got enough here. And if I haven't, I've got some bits here. Right, so this week the prompt is, the main colour is red, the ancient colour, accent colour rather, is heather, the words is I am grateful for, and the focal point is a bird, and you must use scribble. So we'll be doing that. I shall leave that little list up there so I remember, because we done red last week. Yeah, we done red last week, but we done red with accents of blue. This time it's accents of heather. Well, I haven't got any heather, but I found some of this Amsterdam paint, and it's violet. I'm going to use that, and I've got two red paints here. So I've got them, and I've got some black and white, and I've got a couple of stencils here. I've got a squiggly one, and I've got this feathers, and what else did I pull out? This is a die cut, but I was thinking I may put that somewhere, maybe paint it and then put it in the background somewhere, because I do like it. I could use it actually as a stencil as well. And then I found this picture of a bird. I like this bird, and I love that little angel on there as well, and I may use that. So we've got to think about background. I'm doing this all from scratch. I don't know exactly what I'm doing. We've just got some things gathered up. Right, so stencil. What I want to do is, I think we'll lay down, we're going to do red first, I think. We're going to paint that red. Right, we're going to lay this down. I'll do it in the middle, that's fine. I'm going to probably sponge that on. I had some scrap paper here, which I'm just going to pour a bit of paint on. I'm not using a palette. This is gorgeous paint, this is. Right, let's, we'll do it from there. Right, I better hold this still. I'm going to paint that actually. Yeah, so it stands out more. I don't want it looking like red and green Christmas. Right, let's bring back this white a minute. I've got a piece of paper here. Great. Okay, which piece? Right, let's just go for it. Everything's falling off here. So if I was to put that down, right, I have to come up a bit. I have to chop that bit down a bit. I like it like this. Okay. There you go. Give that a minute. Okay, so what I've done now is I've stuck this on. I've actually made a mistake on it, but I'm not going to correct it. I want it looking edgy, so I'm going to just put it up at the corners a bit so it's not firmly down on the page. Got my woodies out. Now, these are excellent. Let me just get these out a minute. These are excellent. I know they're children's pencils, but they're great for watercolouring. They're great for just laying down. They're really good. I really recommend them. Now, all I'm going to do is take the paintbrush out. Hopefully I don't spill everything. Where's the piece of that? And I just want to touch up a few places using them. So, yeah, we'll have the black one out. So you can use these like watercolour straight from the brush as well. Or you can use them as like pencils, like watercolour pencils basically. But they used to be very cheap. When I bought this set it was cheap. But now I think they're more expensive. I just want to see if I can go around, because I've actually put paint down so it may not go on. I don't know how much I've got on this brush actually. It looks like I've got a fair bit. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Put these pencils away. Oh, that's a lovely sound. Oh God. Sorry about that. You're all gritting your teeth. I can feel it. Sorry. Okay, so we're finished with the painting now. What we're gonna do is bring these in. Now these are my favourite pens. I'm gonna have to get a new one of these soon. I've got the gold and the silver, and this is about, well, it looks like it's got stuff in it, but it hardly Oh, it is working, but it just disappears sometimes. It's not an intense colour. This one's great. Now where are we going to put some of this? Okay, so I think we can safely say that I'm done now. Get this outside and I'll show you it stuck in the book and how it's finished. Hi guys, this is the finished product. I hope you like my art journal prompt. So we've done a lot to it. I know my words are all messed up, but not very good at handwriting or anything like that. But I think it's come out nice, the way it is. See the shadows? I like it. So that's my art prompt for week 19 for Karis prompts, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.